Welcome to your very first Java tutorial series. We just installed NetBeans IDE 8.2. Let's go ahead and open that up. The latest Java out there is Java 11, and there's Java 10 out there, but the latest IDE is Java NetBeans IDE 8.2, which supports Java 8. That's all we need for the very beginning tutorial series. And we'll have this box come up. This should be the default windows. You can click projects. There may be or may not be projects if you already started some. We're going to go ahead and close this start page. Let's go ahead and select File, New Project, New Java Project, Java Application. Make sure that's selected. And we're just going to go ahead and click Next. We're going to go ahead and name this Project Tutorial. Of course, you can call yours whatever you'd like. I'm going to call mine Tutorials. This is going to be your project location. You can choose your favorite location. I'm going to leave mine where the defaults are. And the defaults is probably going to be Documents, where mine is. Go ahead and click Finish. And what this IDE does, the NetBeans IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment, it handles a lot of the details that aren't necessary for learning the language. Okay? My text is just a little bigger. We're going to go ahead and delete all the gray text out of here. All the gray text. If it's gray, just go ahead and delete it out. And I'm going to delete some of the blank spaces, the extra tabs, and stuff right here. This is the bare minimum of the program for our very first program. Notice the class is the name of our project name by default. Creates a package. We don't care about this, okay? Let's just ignore this for right now. First thing we're going to do is type in exactly what I have. System.out.println. And we can say welcome. I'm going to go ahead and leave it like that. Let's go ahead and select the Save All in the top left-hand corner. And we are going to go ahead and run the project. And it might take a second. I have an older computer. You probably have Windows 10. I'm still running Windows 7. Everything's going to be alright. And you probably can't see this here, but I get this output tutorial that says welcome with an exclamation mark. Well, what just happened? Well, I mean, yeah, you're going to be wondering that. We're going to go over that in the next video. So this concludes the video. If you got this and you clicked run and it says welcome here, you have successfully ran your first Java program, and we're going to start going over what each line of code means throughout these tutorials. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to make the next video.